Alright, so it's time for curry this Gilbaka. So we set up here, we got the karahi on. We're gonna put some oil in there. So we all getting hot there, almost hot. So we got a little onion here, fish or Gilbaka. We got the curry powder and green seasoning here. So we're gonna get cooking here just now. Alright. In goes the onion. Smelling good, smelling good. So we're gonna let it chunky up. You put in a Wiri Wiri pepper in there, of course. And you can't have curry without pepper, right? So you don't cook Gilbaka a lot, guys, because you know it's expensive once in a while. So when last you had Gilbaka? You like Gilbaka, by the way? That should be the first question. I know some people don't like fish, you know. Fresh Gilbaka. How much you even pay for this one? 5,000. 5,000 Gilbaka. You're looking at $5,000 there, guys. Come on, relaxing. Alright, so we're gonna mix this up and put it to bunji. We're gonna add some tomato and mango, green mango in here now. Curry looking nice, eh? Looking good. Alright. Curry coming up, coming up. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Yes guys, some nice green mango in there. Make the curry taste so nice. Got the curry here now, right? Looking nice. So it's finished bungee now. We're gonna add some water. We added some pepper and scallions there. There you go. So you can wait until this boil up, finish cooking. Now we're gonna show you the finished Gilbaka curry. Stay tuned. So here is our Gilbaka curry guys, done, ready. And we have some rice to go with this. Alright guys, so taking out some food here. Here's some nice soba there. Alright, that looks good. I got a piece of the mango. And I just see a pepper here just now. So I got my pepper here. There you go. Alright. Alright guys, so time to eat our expensive meal here today. Gilbaka curry. There you go. Really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, remember to give it a like, subscribe, share the video, and as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.